Roast, fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in the Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining, it features a generous cooking surface and high sidewalls. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically, and the tempered glass cover makes it ideal for use as a buffet server. A heavy cast aluminum base with a ceramic non-stick finish inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. Both skillet and cover are fully immersible with the heat control removed. Prepare wonderful fish, pork chops, chicken, roasts, and stir-fry. Even make deep dish pizza in your Presto skillet. You'll save energy too, because it's more efficient than using a range burner or heating the oven. The Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Available in 11-inch and 16-inch models.